In this video, I will show you on how to add numbers using Microsoft Excel. The first method that I will show you in adding numbers in Microsoft Excel is by using the plus symbol. I have here an example worksheet of Microsoft Excel on which it shows the number of COVID-19 recovered patients in our country from June 12 to June 21, 2020. Now, our task is to add these numbers in order to get the total number of recoveries. What I'm going to show you first is I will get the sum of the first and the second cell. So let's enter a formula. Let's insert an equal sign. Remember that every formula starts with an equal sign. And then click on the first cell, insert a plus symbol, and then click on the second cell. Press enter in order to get the sum of the first cell and the second cell. Next thing is I will add all numbers in the list. So first, let's enter an equal sign and then click on the first cell, add a plus symbol. Next, click on the second cell and then add a plus symbol. Next, click on the third cell and add a plus symbol, and repeat the steps from the remaining cells. Then, click on enter key. There you have it. You get the sum of all numbers in the list. As you notice that if you have hundreds or thousands of data, when you use this method, it will take you longer to get the result. However, I will show you another way on adding numbers in Microsoft Excel. This is how you write the sum function. First, enter an equal sign, then write the word sum. After that, enter open and close parentheses. Inside the parentheses is the numeric values or the range of cells that you wish to sum. Right now, we will be using the sum function on our example worksheet. So let's get the sum of the recovered patients from June 12 to June 16. First, enter an equal sign. Next, write the word sum. Next, insert an open parenthesis and highlight the numbers from June 12 to June 16. Next is insert a closed parenthesis. After that, press an enter key and you will get the result. So if you want to get the sum of all numbers on the list, just highlight the first cell until to the last cell. Just like this. And press or hit on enter key. I will show you another way of using the sum function. You can use multiple range of cells inside the sum function. In this example, I will add the first three values and the last three values in the list. First, insert an equal sign, type down the word sum, and then insert open parenthesis, highlight the first three values. Next, insert a comma symbol. After that, highlight the last three values, and then insert close parenthesis, and hit on the enter key on your keyboard. There you have it. You get the sum of the first three values and the last three values. Thank you so much for watching this video tutorial. If you have any comments, suggestions, or problems in adding numbers using Microsoft Excel, please write it down in the comment section below.